Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I will show you how to install TV Bro on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So head over to the top bar. It's very important that you find yourself on the app drawer and not on the home, because you have the search icon here at the beginning, but this search icon will search for movies, shows, cast, and more. You want to come over to apps and use this search bar here. So search for apps and games. This is going to search the embedded version of the Google Play Store, which is on Chromecast. Now you've clicked on that, just type in TV Bro. So we're looking for the TV Bro browser, search for it and it will pop up in a few seconds. Ensure you have good internet connections before trying to search and install apps. And there you have the TV Bro. Just click on it once and that brings up the app. You can click on install and give it a couple of seconds to begin to download. Just be patient for the download process to complete, and when it's done, you can install the app, or you find the app being installed automatically actually. So ensure you have good internet connection for this download and hold on tight, waiting for the download to complete. So the download is nearing its end. Immediately the download is done, the app will begin to install. So Chromecast is going to begin installing this app automatically, and we'll just have to sit back, relax, and wait for the installation process to start, and then give it some time. When it's done, you have this app available. You can access it in your app drawer. At the same time, you could just click on the open button that pop up on the screen after this install process completes. So it's done. I could just hop over to open, click on that, and boom, I have the app launching. This is the browser. I will start using it. If you have the browser as well, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and I'll show you more content like this.